Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. If you are having a problem deleting your Tinder account, then let me show you. First of all, you need to check if your internet connection is stable or not, or if it is connected or not. As you can see, my internet connection is being stable and is connected fine. Now after that, go to your Tinder account and log out and log in real quick by going on the settings logo that is going to be on top right corner. Scroll down and click on logout and click on remember me on this device. Now after clicking on logout, then click on login again. Now wait for a while after it is being verified and check if you can delete your account again. Now even if that's not working, then make sure to cancel your subscriptions. As you can see, I've not subscribed to anything on my Tinder, but if you are having problem deleting your Tinder account, then make sure you aren't subscribed or you have cancelled all your subscriptions, and after that you can delete your account. Also make sure to log out from all your devices, either from your web or either from your another mobile phone that has your Tinder account on it. Also check on your Play Store or on your App Store that your Tinder app is up to date or not. So as you can see, my Tinder app is up to date. And after all that, then only you can delete your Tinder account. As you can see, to delete your Tinder account, go to your settings logo, which is going to be on your profile, that is on bottom right corner, and click on settings logo that is on going to be top right corner. Scroll down and click on delete account. Now delete my account again and click on the options you want to put in. So I'm going to put on I want a fresh restart, and I'm going to put there's no one to swipe on, and click on continue to account deletion and click on delete my account. So after that, you have successfully deleted your account without having any problem. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.